Well, I have absolutely no idea how much Teflon tape to use, but we're just gonna send it. We're just gonna get that in there. Oh, she seems to be threading happily in. Is that enough tape? Oh, probably. And then we're gonna put that one in. Oh, maybe that one wants to be helped in a bit. We just got some random socket on it. So I bought this car. Some gentleman swapped in this 305 from a 79 Chevy Impala. And since then, I've been trying to get it stable and all happy. I've got it on the road, but you know, it probably could use new water pump. It definitely didn't need this bypass from here to here, that because the heater core is just not used. It's bypassed fully. So you know what, that's still threading in fairly happily. So well, now it's getting stuck. Well, I don't think that one's gonna leak, but it's okay. We're gonna make sure it doesn't leak. Oh, here we go, 1/2 inch plug. Whoa, we're just using some random socket for this, so did we share? Probably, I don't know. Oh, onto the top one. We'll just get a wrench and make it work after, maybe, but there you go. That's mostly happy for now, so all plugged up. On to the next thing.